If you want to record the screen on your Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we can go to the control center or quick settings, and then we're gonna go to this expandable area. By default, we do have a screen recorder available in here. Of course, in your case, it might be in a slightly different place, but in case you do not have the screen recorder anywhere over here, you can tap on this pen at the top of the screen, then we can choose add a control, and then in here, among these options, we should be able to find the screen recorder in this capture section. So we should be able to, for example, press and hold our finger and then add it anywhere into this quick settings panel. So once you have the screen recorder, we should be able to tap on the button. Then we have the setup, so you can record the full screen. You can just record a part of the screen. You can choose if you want to record media with the microphone, or no audio at all. Also, we can show taps and touches on the recording. Now, once you are ready, we can tap on start recording. We have the countdown, which we can skip if you want to. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Now we are recording. We have a couple of tools available here on this bar, which we can actually hide. And if you want to reveal it, you just have to swipe it inwards into the screen, into the middle of it. So we have the pen, which we can use in order to draw anything on the screen. So if you want to, for example, highlight something, you can easily do so. We can also toggle the front camera. There we go, which we can also move around if needed. And you can pause the recording, and then you can renew it once you are ready again. And you can completely stop the recording by using the square button. You should be able to receive a notification about the video, the screen recording, so you should be able to find it pretty easily. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.